Thank you, Dave. Law enforcement agents say the exploitation of children and human sex trafficking are on the rise here in Montana. In this day and age, they say perpetrators are using the internet and mobile devices to their advantage. In the first segment of a special two-part series, ABC Fox Montana's Emily Foster shows us how law enforcement agents use digital forensics to crack down on cybercrime.
A good portion of the crimes we investigate have some kind of digital, imprint or footprint on a computer.
Missoula Police Detective Chris Shermer is a member of the Montana Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force, or ICAC.
I'm out there on the internet trying to find individuals that want to make contact with our kids.
Shermer says he and other members of ICAC have discovered people who look at child pornography often download it from a file sharing program like LimeWire.
I also find individuals that are sharing or distributing or even producing child pornography as well.
He uses a program that identifies known child pornography images, which are usually connected to a specific internet protocol address or the specific number assigned to each and every device using an internet connection.
So then if you have anybody in your local jurisdiction, you go find out who owns that IP address.
Then Shermer will obtain the computer, smartphone, or other device, either with the owner's consent or with a search warrant signed by a district judge. Local law enforcement agencies will often pass on cases involving digital forensics to experts who work here at the Computer Crimes Unit of the Division of Criminal Investigation. DCI is a branch of the Montana Department of Justice. The agent in charge of the Computer Crime Unit, Jimmy Wegg, receives pieces of hardware from law enforcement agencies all over the state. Wegg says before he can begin a forensic analysis on a device, he checks the paperwork to make sure the search warrant used to obtain it conforms with DOJ policies.
I then load it onto my machines and I work on a copy. I work on a file. I put all the hardware goes away.
He'll use a variety of programs to search for pieces of data prosecutors could use as evidence in court.
And I look at some of the things that are in the boldface type on this screen, and I think you can just look at this and draw your own conclusion as to what somebody was trying to do here. These are internet searches.
Wegg says he currently has 91 open cases, and each one can take hundreds of hours to close. In Missoula, Emily Foster, ABC Fox Montana.
Wegg says he gets help from other digital forensic experts all over the world, including the FBI, to tackle computer crime cases. In the second part of this special series, we'll learn about the dangers of open source information and how you can protect your personal information online. See that and more tomorrow right here on the Fox Montana News at 9.